That's what your mom drank.
Oh, you
because,
said your mama. That stuff.
What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? No one can see me. That's how we're doing. I know you see me. Oh, camera. There we go. Ready to go, guys. Ready to go. We got some stuff happening. If you're in the building, say hello. Let's not mess with around and let's just say hello to everybody. Mayur, De Silva, let's go, man. How's everybody feeling today? There's been a lot of news in the building, a lot of things happening, you know, stuff happens. But we're going to go over a lot of things today to make sure that we stay profitable. Vlad is glad to be Vlad. Yeah, bro. See, I like poems right in the morning and evening. Colleen Merced, how are you? Crystal Butler, how are you? How's everybody feeling? So a lot of things are going on right now as far as, what's up, Brian? What's up, Scott? As far as the market. And the idea is we want to figure out how do we trade this market. But here's the thing. Here is the thing, guys. You guys ready for this? There are some interesting patterns that I want to review with you that could really help us trade this market in a very profitable manner, as long as you are okay with giving us some hearts right now. Let me see some hearts right now. Let's get this day going, guys. It's time to wake up. I want to see some hearts in the building, not just from Elliot, but from Alonzo. I want to see it from Brian. I want to see it from Paco and Taco and Brian and Scott and Crystal and Colleen and everybody in the building. All right, guys, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! All right. I decided to wear a hat today simply because I don't want to get a haircut. So if my name is Vlad, if you're new here, today we're going to go over some stocks with you guys. If you have any stocks you want me to review with you, just comment the stocks below. And Elliot right here will write them down. Just like yours says, I love Elliot because Elliot writes the stocks and Elliot helps us out. The big thing today is we're going to go over a specific pattern I'm seeing right now in the market that could really be profitable for us. So let's get into it right now, okay? We do not play around in this group, okay? We take action. We take action immediately. And I want to show you something. Who's ready to see this, guys? We got something in for you. If you're new here, just comment new. If you're watching a replay, let us know. Just comment replay below. Overall, guys, so the market's been tanking, right? It's been having these ups and downs. I told you, watch out for some of the big profits before. And if you saw, we had a beautiful few days. However, as usual, this is what I want to show you right here, guys. This right here, this beautiful slide. If you have kids, you probably enjoy slides. And today we're going to show you this slide because this is a very important slide, guys. This blue line is what could make you or break you, okay? And it's a very specific way I'm looking at this line. So let's go over what do I see and why do I see it? That's going to be our new slogan today. What do I see and why do I see it? Who's your daddy and what does he do? Remember that? Remember that movie? All right. Elliot is going crazy here. You remember that movie?
I don't, but it's...
All right. So today we're going to review a couple things here. Here's a slogan from the movie. What movie is it? Is it Who is Your Daddy and What Does He Do? What movie was this from? Gigi, I feel, knows this. But overall, guys, I will say that anybody know Who Is Your Daddy and What Does He Do? Can't believe you don't know this movie.
That's hilarious.
This right here is showing us a downslide. So here's the thing: when a downslide like this happens, it might be a very strong one. It might take some time for this. Scott Wojcik, right? He got it. Kindergarten Cop. Very good. Very good. I'm impressed. Very, very good. When it goes down like this, our job is to figure this out and say, you know what? What are we going to do to break this? Okay? Because if it breaks, there are two specific points I'm looking for in this market right now. While everybody's trying to figure it out and do all these things, let's look at it. To answer your question, we could use Fibonacci, absolutely. Sometimes Fibonacci doesn't help in this scenario. We could, but because we're seeing such a downward channel, it's not going to help us. A Fibonacci helps us more in a flat market or a horizontal market. What's up, Victor? Thanks for that long message you got me. Reading Cyrillic takes me a while, man. Let me tell you. I did read it. I'm very slow at reading it. Good job, everybody who put kindergarten cop. That is correct. But today, guys, as we continue, we're going to do a little trivia. If you like Michael Jackson, we're going to do some fill in the blank of his songs. Okay? So I'm going to sing a little lyric, and you got to tell me what song is it or what is the lyric. Okay? You ready? Here, I want you to tell me the word. We'll start with the first one. Billie Jean is not my, what's the word? What's the word? It's not my what? So yeah, I wouldn't use the Fibonacci at this point. However, what we're seeing here is this 200-day moving average, which it broke. Okay, which it broke. Good job, Brian, on that one. Not my son.
It's not my son.
No.
His brother.
It's, yeah, very good. Very, very good. So if it breaks this right here, what we're seeing is a new shift into this breaking of this point, number one. Number two, it's beginning to form a trend. So this is a great chance to start investing. Okay, because now we're going into a new shift. We just have to wait. Anything before that, it's just too much volatility, too much going on. Now, the second point I would say is the 50-day moving average, which is right here. So if it breaks around here, oh boy, now we got something going on. We break the 200, the 50, which are the two most important lines we have to look at. Okay, Christine Lewis, I need help. Talk to me. What's going on? So yeah, that's what that's about. And we want to break this open right here. And what happens then is we got this pattern where you could see usually happens A to B, B to C, C to D. A to B, that's what we're looking for. Okay? Just back home from hospital with newborn. Oh man, congratulations. Victor got a new baby. Everybody, let's get some like for a new baby. There's a new life here. That's awesome, man. I remember having my daughter. It's fun. Yeah, let's give us some hearts to Victor for having a baby girl, man. What's her name? I don't know if you want to share it. It's up to you. Curious to see, maybe she has a little like a Ukrainian, like an Olga or something, Tatiana or something like that. Like, let me know. Yeah, congrats, man. Let's give it, you know what? I'm gonna put in congrats to Victor. Awesome, man. And you know what I love? That he's committed. He's like, you know what? Great, let's get in here.
Right.
All right, awesome, man. Seriously, bro. It's a great, great feeling. So in here, like I said, we're looking for either number one, get around 448 to start breaking this trend, or 460, and then we're off to the chains. Christina, beautiful name, man. Seriously, God bless, bro. Поздравляю тебя, Victor. All right, cool. С успехами. What stocks in the graph is the graph? Oh, I'm sorry. This is SPY. So we're looking at SPY. So there's too many indicators there right now. Let's clean this up a little bit. So yeah, basically what I'm saying is this. We're looking for it to break in around this area, and we're ready for a bullish move for sure. Or we're ready for 460. Now we're talking about really moving to the top and really getting this to go. Okay. So no problem. Пожалуйста, Victor. Okay, so that's how that looks. Okay, that's how it's going to be. So guys, but what I would say in this situation, patience. Patience is everything. And if you're watching this, patience is important because some people may not understand what I'm saying with this. That's why you probably haven't seen my webinar. If you haven't, comment webinar below so we could have one of our guys send that to you and help you out. So comment webinar below. It's a free link. It's going to give you my 6 steps I use to make money on the market every week. All right. So we got some stocks going.
Yeah.
If you have any questions about anything I went over right now, please let me know. But I'm going to tell you right now, just looking back, I'm going to do a little bit more refining here. I want to go back to like a 3-year chart. Are you okay with that?
I love that.
3-year chart, just to see what's going on. This is a weekly chart. You could see where we're at right now. And we're still in the bearish territory. That's okay though. Is it horrific? No, we have some news or whatever, but you could see it's kind of stuck in this area right now. So if it breaks this line, exactly what I told you, around 445, we are breaking the 50-day moving average. If it gets at 460, as I said before, it's breaking these two averages, and now we're back. We want to keep it nice and simple. There's too many things going on. We want to keep it nice and simple. What's up? So Scott and Colleen, thank you for asking for the webinar. David Gorby, the one who just waved your head over there right above your messages, he's going to send it to you. He works with us, part of our team, so he's helping us out. Thank you, Dave. All right, cool. So that's the way the cookie crumbles on this one. Anybody have any questions before we move on? All right, let's get this going. Let's get this day going, guys. What's next? Let's look at some stocks.
SOFR.
SOFI? All right, SO. You're being an SOFI. So SOFI also has been very, very bearish to the downside for sure. And right now it's looking like it's having a bearish day, ready to bounce back down. This is a very good play for a beautiful swing trade, which is what I like to do. I'm a big swing trader. I think that's one of the best ways to trade. So you could see here, earnings tomorrow. Yes, if it's earnings, obviously, I would wait. But to me, it looks like it's following this channel unless something drastic happens. Great. But overall, it's just holding this very strong. If anything, maybe to the downside after earnings. Or if it does break, if it gets to 14, ooh, then this could be a really good one. And it's ready to do one of these upswings. But it has to get to 14. Cool.
He said he's rolling the dice, baby.
Let's roll. Rolling is okay if you, well, no, you know what I mean. What's next? GEVO.
Yeah.
GEVO has been stuck below the 50-day moving day average. So there's a lot of, I think we talk about this one a lot. I think it's probably, I'm assuming whenever I see it a lot, it usually means like in a meme or something. But yeah, it looks like it's trying to break through here. I would not touch this until it gets to 425. We need to see consistency here. Again, a lot of times people looking for these crazy plays like, oh, we want to, I think this could pop open. It could, but what are we basing that on? So if it's just something we think, doesn't help us. Right now, it just looks like it's been in a downturn for a long time. It now hit a flat channel. So I think you were asked about the Fibonacci.
Mm-hmm.
That could be something you could pull up right here maybe. And you could see it's kind of stuck in this channel. So exactly what I said. If it gets to 425, it really breaks that. So it's kind of how a lot of times I don't use it because I've done this for so long. I drop hats. But when I don't drop hats, I do other things. So, yeah, in this scenario here, I would say definitely would like to see it pop up a lot higher. And I don't use the Fibonacci because I could just see it pretty well, but it's a great tool to use for sure. Sometimes I'll still use it. Should we avoid energy market? Good question. Let's look at that real quick. I know we're cutting it.
No, you're good.
So energy market, I mean, energy market looks like it popped up. So it looks like it's ready to calm down. And when we're looking at this here, we're seeing an inverted hammer candle, right? So that's part of it. And that could be a problem there. So yeah, I would say definitely, if anything, I think it's going to start getting a little bit bearish and bullish. Am I right?
Yeah. In the short term, yeah.
At least in the short term. Long term, it's a little different, but I would definitely avoid
I
it.
think yesterday was the entry to the upside, and now it's like that.
Yeah, it's kind of trying to figure out its thing right now. What's the next?
IMPP.
IMPP?
Yeah.
That's good. I like that stock. All right. Well, when we're looking at IMPP, I would say that it looks like the IMPP is rising, right? But the problem is it's a new stock. I just want to say that. So anything, again, guys, it's a really cheap stock. It's an energy stock. It's not even, 200 days old. There's too much volatility, too much uncertainty. Not something I would trade at all. I would stay away from this one.
IMPP. Are you in it? Who was it that asked that? Scott. I think
Scott, are you in it?
He might be in there. Was it Scott?
Oh,
Yeah.
Belay is here.
Hey, I can't do that, son.
Belay. What's next?
SCCO.
All right, SCCO is looking pretty good. I like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one. I think this could be a good one right here. A lot of things I like about this one. So you could see, first of all, if you look at the top, it's really hitting hard right here. I just need to see it break. Okay, but even still, I feel pretty confident in it breaking because right now it just broke through a very strong resistance. Okay, and it's also on very strong volume. Plus, the momentum's looking pretty good. Is it the best I've ever seen? No, but it's pretty good stock. I like it. I think this is a good play. In fact, if I had to move back a little bit further out, we'll say what, we'll do 11 months. I think that's enough to see. Yeah, you could see here, where is it? Right here.
Yeah.
So it's breaking through this right now. I think we have a good chance, considering the volume is pretty strong, to get around probably, it could go to 80. It could go to 80, but definitely I think 76, 77. So I like this one. I think this is a good one. We'll write that down. See how it does. We'll check it out probably next week. Was wondering about re-entering, but sounds like it may be
No,
go back.
Imperial.
IMPP. Yeah, I would just be careful with that. I would not personally. Just it's too much volatility. It's too much gambling for me. I like a little more consistency.
Nike.
Nike, what was it? NKE. That's right. NKE, yeah, I don't know what's been going on with them. With Jordan Brand killing him? What's going on? Is it LeBron James Nike? Yeah, that's why.
I think
you
it's
see what
finally-
happened to the Lakers here?
Finally filling that big gap, man.
Yeah, I think it's going to continue going down. I think it's still not showing any life. It's way below its moving day averages. I thought say, yeah, I just would not touch this. And again, we want to wait until this thing gets back to health, which is around 158.
Mhm.
And that's because it's right here. You can see that 200-day moving day average, which what is it Scott saying? 70. Yeah, no, listen, if it's not bad if you want to play these things. Yeah, you got it at the right time. You probably heard something. I don't know, but I just don't like playing these. They're a little scary for me because just as quick as you made 70% gain, you could take a big loss on it too. If you're one day off. Go ahead.
Disney.
Disney. Okay, so Disney's going through similar like the market. I got to be careful here with Disney because right now you're seeing like a little bit of a cross to the downside. And every time it does these crosses, you could see there's really strong downturn and looks like it's continuous. It's continuously doing that. So to me, not right now, but I would put this on the watch list because I could see this forming an A to B, B to C. Oops, that was a very bad one. B to C, C to D pattern. To again, for my euro only, I'll use these Fibonacci right here. You could see it's hitting the 50-day moving day, 50% line on the Fibonacci. I could see it coming down to 61%, testing that, and then getting it. So we're close, but not yet. Not yet. All right, where to next?
That's it for now. Show's
Anybody
over.
else have anything? Yeah, the show's over. Yeah, if you have any other stocks, now I know before we continue with stocks, please let me know which ones that are. We could screen some, or we'll do a little what do you call it? Trivia.
Bachata.
No, not bachata. What's going on here? Okay, you guys ready? You guys ready? It don't matter if you're. What song is that by Michael Jackson? Blank or blank. It don't matter if you blank or blank.
Ooh,
Fill in the
Lowe's.
blanks, huh?
AMD Lowe's. Let's go.
It don't matter if you black or if you blank or blank.
Okay.
All right, what's the next? All right, so this one here, I've been watching this with you guys. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Scott. Good job. You guys know your Michael Jackson songs. All right. So this one here, how about this one before we go on? Do you remember what's next? Do you remember the blank?
Gigi
When we
Perez.
fell in love, fill in the blank. Do you remember the blank? All right. So this one here, it has a beautiful, beautiful downward pattern here. And I think it's gonna break out soon. This is definitely 400% needs to be put on a watch list. Okay. What did you do? What you did last summer? No, do you remember the
What you did
blank?
last summer. Yeah.
No, no. Don't lie, Brian. You know the song. Don't blame it on your wife. Do you remember the blank? Blah, 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 blah. Come on. 21st night September. Do you remember the 21st night September? No. So if we put this on,
That's a good one.
I'm telling you right now, guys, if this gets to, let me see here. Let me just look one more time. Yeah, I would say around 35, 135. This could be a big turn. Again, if I'm going to show you what I mean too, because we need to do a little zoom out action. Oddly, very good. Fell in love. That is correct. Very good. It was actually a video shot with Eddie Murphy as well. All right, here's a good one for you guys. Let's see who the real Michael Jackson fan is. There was a song that he made with a video where he filmed it with Michael Jordan. What video was it? What song did he film? So if you look here while we guys get that answer, you could see on a longer term basis, AMD, look at what's happening here. We're getting these moves. When it goes up, it has these little downturns, and then it goes up. Again, it goes down right here again. Oops, I pressed something. Sorry about that. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. This thing.
Mouse you got right
Yeah, I like that. I didn't know I could do that. Look at it. From one click, it goes zoom in, zoom out. I like it. Yeah, right. It is a little bit burning action here. So yeah, and because right now I think we have a good situation. I think this is going to keep going up. You just need to see the breakout at the right time. You don't want to be too early, too late. You want to be just at the right time. So make sure when you see this at 135, this is the time to get in. That's how you get a game plan together. Nobody knows a song that I Believe I Can Fly. No, man. That was the guy who's in trouble right now. No, there was a song. It's a 3-letter song, okay? 3-letter song that Michael Jackson and Michael Jordan made a video in 1994. Gigi with the right answer. Jam, very good. No problem, Scott. I got you. Sandy, what's up? What's next?
Low.
Lows. So a lot of these stocks are looking like it's we're just waiting for the watch list. Again, guys, this is the time when we're patient, unless you're doing like the paycheck collector that you would learn through coaching, you let us know. And again, if you're new here, if you haven't seen our webinar, comment webinar below. We have Dave Gorbia in here who will send it to you for free. So just comment webinar and we got you. It'll give you 6 steps that I use to make money. Okay, so this one here is same thing. I like these downturns because once they go, they go. You know what I'm going to do, Mayor? Just for you, we're going to do a long-term Fibonacci. Okay, so if you look at this one and just a big, big long-term one, you could see this one here, we're looking for it to get back to where I told you, around this area. So I was kind of right, 235, right? If it breaks here, the 50-day moving average, that looks even better. So 245, guys. This thing is killer. 240 again. If it gets to like 235, I'm still liking it. But 242, 245 is the magic number for me. Put it on a watch list and let's see what happens. Mayur, you always asking for that webinar. I think he just collects the links. Gotta go to work, but thank you. Thank you for watching the rest. No problem, man. Nice talking to you, Scott. Where to next? It's flirting on the stochastics. Let's see. I didn't look at this. Yeah, I like it. I think this is going to be a good one. Again, let's just make sure we get this going. Make sure we call it out the right way. Definitely, like I said, if it breaks this, great. Around 235. If it goes to 245, even better. All right, let's go.
We got AA, I believe. That's for Alcoa. Yeah.
Alcoa's it could still be good. It could be just a little bit of a test. I like that it's kind of coming out here and it's got a good play at the top. It is a little stretch, but I'm seeing it kind of bounce off here. I would say I wouldn't totally disregard it. I think this is a good play because the worst case scenario could come down a little bit, maybe $1, maybe $2, but the reversal factor looks pretty good because of the increased volume. So I'm going to say, yeah, I would take a chance at this, depending how it finishes towards the end of the day. What's up, Rohit? What's next?
ALB.
ALB. ALB looks like to me, it's just way too below its 200-day moving average right now. All the averages are here. I personally would not invest in this right now. I would have to wait for it to get to around 2. And you can see even on the bottom side right here, very strong channel here. Had a little bit of an upswing there, but so I would say 230 is my spot for me to get in on this. Where's next?
AMT.
AMT, you could see been very, very consistent at hitting these points at the 20-day moving day average or 13-day moving, very close to short. So this is exactly what the webinar teaches, how to play things like this and how to find stocks like this. I would say definitely stay away from this unless you're looking to be a little more bearish on it. I would say that's the case. But unless it gets back to like, at least you see how it used to be in this channel, I was fine with this until it broke it. But since then, I mean, like I said, a 272 would be somewhere where I would like stocks like this. Otherwise, I just ignore them. It's just too much gambling. What's next?
BLK.
What is it?
BLK.
BLK. All right. All right. So what song is this? Because this is blank, 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 blank in the night. What song is that? Come on, guys. If you don't know that, I don't know.
Blank, blankety blank.
Because this is blank, blank. All right. So this one here, again, very down, too much to the downside. All the moving averages are pointing down. There's no reason I would invest in this one. Not for me. Mayor Audley, got it. Good job. Thriller it is. Yep. Very, very good. And if you haven't gotten the webinar, comment webinar below because that's a big thriller for us. You're going to love it. It's an hour long, full of great information. I go a lot slower in that one. What's next?
ERF.
What is it?
ERF.
ERF. What song is You Know I'm Blank, you know it? What song was that? We'll fill in the blank. Yeah, it's a little bit of an indecision here right now. What's up, Priya? Oh man. Yeah, I would say right now it's kind of a dangerous time because it's already kind of hitting here. I would want to see this. It would be a nice swing trade if it comes back down here and we could trade it one more time, but we need to see it. Guys, why are you feeling so bad? It's okay. It's okay. Life will be fine. You're right. It is bad. Good job.
Net.
Good job. Huh?
Net.
Net? Hold on. Oh, I forgot this one. Okay, where is this from? Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? You've been struck by a blank, blank.
You've been hit and struck by what?
What's next?
Oh, this one.
Oh, net. I'm sorry. Net's coming way too close to a 200-day moving average. You got to be very careful because guess what? Every time it hits here, you got problems unless it breaks. If it breaks, we got something really good happening, but it's got to break. It's got to break. So it's got to break this line. If it gets to 135, this should be good. Good to come in. Brian, it's not smooth. It's smooth what? What's the word? You got to ask your wife for both words. Okay. And yeah, you okay? You've been struck by a what? Not a big bus. Big bus. Well, Dave likes doing CrossFit and things like that, so maybe he likes to get hit by a big bus.
By a big bus.
It's part of the workout. There we go, Gigi. Thank you. Smooth criminal. Right, Melly? That's what I'm talking about. See, someone likes my singing.
That's beautiful.
What's next?
VAC. Back.
That has to be, that means Mr. Bob Benish is in the building. Did he ever send us those things, the correction things?
But he's probably still working on it. It's a lot of
Okay, it
material.
is a lot of material. I've been waiting. Chris Liddick, what's up, man? So this one here. All right. Yeah, so this one just broke the 200-day moving average. So that's a problem. This could be a big situation for the stock if it doesn't recover. So definitely not something I would I would mess with. It's right in this middle between like support resistance. You can see how it's green here, red here. We need to see some confirmation. If we see some good confirmation coming to the upside, could be good, but we definitely need some, definitely need a little bit of more here. You guys ready? What platform are you using? Stockcharts.com. And what was that song I'm thinking about? I can't think of it now. It's gonna hit me.
No lie. No.
No, that's not Michael Jackson. Today's Michael Jackson Day.
Whoa.
Michael Jackson Day.
It is?
Yeah,
Is it like officially or
no,
Oh, okay.
Vlad Michael
no?
Jackson.
Fair
Day.
enough. Fair enough. I just
What's next?
BTU.
BTU. Okay, you guys ready? Blank, blank, blank. Make it a better day for you and for me. What song was that? I'm gonna blank, blank, blank. Da, 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 da. I don't want the algorithm confused with Michael Jackson, and then I don't want that to happen.
Your copyright.
Oh, Gigi, are you Googling my words here? Michael Jackson and the market. Just beat it. Yeah,
Right.
I like that. Okay. This is coming too close. This could be good because it is the third bounce. So we got 3 bounces on this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, it wasn't there. But it's okay because I got a mouse to really zoom in on this and really look. Wait, what? Oh, it collect. Oh, that's what it was doing. Okay, I see what you did here. Oh, look, I could do like these things. It's crazy. All right, I'll figure it out. But yeah, let's see here.
I'll figure it out.
All right. So yeah, you can see here. I'm gonna zoom in really. We're traveling into a dimension. Resistance and support. Yeah, so it hasn't hit yet. We need to see this break to 21, and then we got something big happening because again, a lot of the greatest playoffs, the greatest plays take time to set up. It's like a big like explosion once it's there. So it's all about that setup. All right, what's next?
We got Lucid LCID.
LCID. So, and now let's see. What about some hearts? Who's going to give us some hearts? If you're enjoying the show, we just want to see a few of them. Not too many, not too much, just a few. Anybody want to give us some hearts? Wow, 0 hearts today.
Wow.
People don't like us today.
Where is the love?
Where in the world are hearts in San Diego?
Mhm.
All right, thank you. Oh, Lori, I haven't seen her today. Lori's in the
She
building.
said hello.
Oh, she did. I'm sorry. It's been a lot of messages I've kind of missed. All right, cool. What's next? Thank you, guys. What's next?
Lucid.
Lucid. Oh yeah, Lucid. Lucid looks like it's trying to do something, but it just keeps getting rejected. That's what confirmation is so important. Overall,
Mhm.
again, just been to the downside. I'm waiting for it to break this 200-day moving average. Until then, I got nothing to talk about. Nothing to talk about the stock. But look at this. If it does break this, it breaks a lot of great things. So if it gets to like 32, man, we're good. 36, even better. What's up, Mark? How are you, man? Nice seeing you again. Always nice to see you, Marcus. Where's the next?
NVDA.
What's up, Jamal? What is it?
NVIDIA.
NVDA. All right.
Probably similar to AMD. Yeah, AMD. They're like little brother, big brother, honestly. AMD and NVIDIA.
All right. So this one is here. Let's see. Yeah, this one's looking all right. Guys, this could be pretty big. Again, we all want to focus on the longer term breakouts because those are the ones that are the most powerful, and there's so many out there. You know, even like you see how there's a little short-term one and then boom. But when there's a long-term one, there's a boomy. Long-term one, there's a boomy.
Big boomies.
Yes, this is a very long-term one. So if we get to 270, guys, I would invest in this. No diggity, no doubt.
270 's That's nice. If it gets to 270. for
Heck
sure.
yeah. What's up, Darlene? How are you?
We got Hissy, HSY.
HSY.
What's a Hissy? Hello, Hissy.
All right. I'm going to give you a song. I don't know if people would know this one.
Okay.
There's a part in the song where it says, stop pressuring me. Just stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Makes me wanna what? All right. Let's see if someone could get it. Now, this song was the first video where Michael Jackson and his sister Janet Jackson made a video together. I'm liking this one here. This one's pretty cool. All right, so this one here makes me wanna what? It's coming down. This is a nice one. This is a great entry point, like right now. So we're seeing a breakout with okay volume. I guess that's the only thing here. But I don't know, man. This could be good. I would say maybe a little bit more just to break here. But I would be okay with investing. Even if I take a little bit of a loss, I think it might have a good turnaround for sure. What do you think?
You like the risk reward right there.
I like the risk reward.
Yeah.
I would take the risk reward.
Scream.
Man, Brian, you got to get your wife in this show, man. She's doing very well.
Get her a free can of air.
She's like, what? Michael Jackson? I know him.
Just right over there, moonwalking.
Okay, good stuff.
PG.
Huh?
PG. Like this one? Circling it.
What was the name of Michael Jackson's group when he was with his brothers? What was the name of that group? There were 5 brothers that made a group. They had songs like ABC, I'll Be There. Very good group. You know, made a lot of money back when Michael Jackson had a fro. What was it? This one here again. It's kind of hitting this point here, kind of in an unknown territory. Good job, Jamal. You got that down. Everybody knows the Jackson 5, correct? But Michael Jackson, the reason he burned his hair really bad because he was shooting a commercial. Okay, he's shooting for a commercial for what company? What company was he shooting a commercial for where he burned his hair?
I wonder how the stock did at that time. Honestly,
I don't know.
I should backtrack on that.
I would say this one here, we got a situation where we need to break through this short-term day moving average. I'm looking at a really like a 161. Realistically, though, if you really want to, like, once it gets to 161, that's a great play. Another entry point would be if it breaks these. But 161, I feel pretty good about. Very good. A lot of Michael Jackson knowledgeable people here. All right. I'll throw something at you. You guys ready? Michael Jackson was going to do a European tour in 2009. Okay. And unfortunately, he died. Everybody knows he's dead, right? I hope. He died. So he was doing a tour. And they even came out with a movie to show the inside of that tour. What was that tour called? What was the name of that tour? All right.
The responses are killing me. The commercial was for Mr. Clean.
Mr. Clean, no. Oh yeah, because he burned his hair. I get it. Freaking clown. And by the way, here I'm gonna trick everybody here. You ready?
All right.
All right. So let me know. Actually, let me see what everybody says. What was the tour called? What was the concert going to be called? 3 words. Okay. All right. I'm curious to see that this one's a little bit the Last Dance. That's a good one. That's a good guess, but no, that was Michael Jordan and of course Jack. You know that, right, Dave?
Different. OCGN.
OCGN.
Mayori loves this stock.
Well, Mayori likes sliding. Yeah, so this one here had a little bit of an upside, and I see why you would like it because there was a little bit of an upswing, and you could see it was a good one, but it was very predictably hit by 50-day moving average, and it started to come down. Doesn't look like anybody got it, man.
History World Tour.
No. So the answer is This Is It.
Yeah.
The This Is It tour. This Is It tour. Now here's a trivia question. When I always tell you about this one thing I have, it's 1 hour long. What do I ask you to comment below? What do I ask to comment below for you to receive one of my 1 hour what? All right. You see what I did there? What's next?
When Wendy's, they would said, when is Lambo? When's his Lambo?
What?
When's it going to the moon?
All right.
Never. No, I'm kidding.
All right. No one's getting it. Come on. What do I ask? You're right. Oddly, webinar. Very good. And I know Oddly saw everything I have. Oddly's a good dude. So this one here, we're gonna use Fibonacci just because he mentioned it today. Why not? So this one here, kind of, I would say around here. We're looking for it to break this. Man, I think this could be a good one. Forget the Fibonacci for now because it's actually looking really good. I like that right there. Look at that. If it breaks 2350, guys, this could be a good stock, man. This could be a really good stock. So it's very similar to what it did right here. It broke this move right here. So guys, be very careful. 2350, man, this thing's going. I'm telling you right now. But we want to wait. Make sure it gets us. I'm lost video for a couple of minutes. Did you do any yet?
Nope, that's actually next.
That's next. We got you. We got you, Chris. Don't you dare be upset. We got you. All right. You ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
All right. When Michael Jackson died, he had a doctor that was blamed for murdering him through some sort of IV or whatever some drug he was using. What was the doctor's name? Who was the doctor who was blamed for the murder of Michael Jackson? What's next?
NEE.
I like this when. You might
Yeah.
want to write down. Yeah, I like that one. NEE, Dr. Fauci. No, Dr. Fauci.
He's responsible for others.
Yeah, he's responsible for other things. So this one's getting, I like the fact that this broke out of this area, which is perfect. But now it's time for it to come down a little bit. Man, Brian, you married the right person. Dr. Kevorkian.
Dr. Kevorkian.
There you go. So we are looking here to see if we could break through this line here, and now we could do some damage here, but right now we already kind of went through that. It's good to see this because if you would have waited the right time, I would have told you to get in on this once it pops open, and it did. Now it's time for it to take a little bit of a retracement, and then we'll go get it. I don't know, Melly. You think they got jokes? Maybe that's their knowledge that they have. You never know. All right, so Michael Jackson was married to a famous singer's daughter. Who was that famous singer? Famous singer's daughter. Who was the famous singer that he married off the daughter of or whatever? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right. What's next?
PFE. Reversal.
PFE reversal. Could be Presley, Elvis Presley. That is correct. But the question is, what was the daughter's name? What was the daughter's name? On this one here, you're right. No, there is nothing that's showing me reversal yet, but definitely could be. The question is, when are we going to see that move? So, and here's why we need that confirmation. We had a good candle here without confirmation, and it actually went down. Liza? No, I don't think that's what it was. GG. It was Miss Presley. Yes, there you go. Lisa Marie, wasn't it? I think you're right. Yeah, it was right. Yeah. Somebody was thinking a different name. Very good. Good job. Very, very good. Priscilla. It was Priscilla, right? It was Lisa.
I believe his wife. She's been, I'm saying.
Yeah, Priscilla. I was thinking Priscilla. I was definitely thinking Priscilla.
Where's the Lisa come from then?
Huh? Lisa Marie Williams. Oh, that's his other wife, I believe.
Ariana.
Okay, so he has a kid that's named after something you sleep with, and it's not a pillow. What was the kid's name?
I just think of South Park.
Yeah, so this one here, man, let's look at not yet, man. Everything's pointing in the downside. We need to see a real, because if you don't wait, it's starting to break out a little bit here. and they could see some bad situations. So I would definitely make sure that you be careful with that. Very good. It's blanket. That is the correct
Stuffed
name.
Animal Jackson.
Yep, yep. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So, who was Michael Jackson's best friend? He was also he was a kid, blonde hair, starred in a very famous series of movies for Christmas movies. What was his name? Michael Jackson's best friend back at the time. What's next? Anybody got any other stocks that you want us to review? Please let us know. Any other stocks? Eminem is not the right answer.
SBLK and
All right, what are your thoughts on SBLK and Google? Check it out. So anybody know who's the best friend of my? Yeah, there you go. Mayur with Macaulay Culkin. Very good.
SBLK.
What are my thoughts on SBLK? I think SBLK is come on, Dave. You got to know how to spell Hart. I actually got tickets to Kevin Hart, believe it or not. He's going to be in the area. Are you going? Get out of here, really? Yeah. Me and Elliot are both going. Oh, man. And I got Chris Rock tickets. What's up now?
Oh, you got me on that one. I wanted those.
It's hard to tell right now. I would be very careful. I would like to see this turn a little bit, but because there's so much bearishness, I'm afraid that they could finally break these lines. So I would definitely not do something with that. High dividend are going to fall since ex-dividend date was today. Oh, good point, Lee. I like that. Yeah, that's a good point right there. So I would be very careful with that one. What's your next?
Goggle.
Google?
No, it's literally. I thought it was Google. It's a different style.
It's very similar actually. So looks like it's similar to that stock that we just looked at. I'm seeing some bearishness in the future here, mostly because I'm seeing the histogram going to the downside. This is beginning to turn. This is beginning to turn. The volume is very strong on some bearish candles. I think this is going to retrace. Very similar to what happened here. Kind of had this moment over here. Kind of had a little bit of a consolidation. Went down. Notice it's kind of the same thing. Consolidation, ready to go down. I don't see this going any much higher. It could, but now we're getting into too much of a risk there. ABBV. ABBV, this one is pretty safe stock. It's been doing the right things. I just don't think you're going to get a lot of movement. I would wait till it gets to 146 and then do a little bit of a swing trade, similar to what I teach in my webinar. Again, comment webinar below if you haven't gotten it yet. Maria. Should we do one more? One more trivia?
Yeah.
One? What do you think? Anybody down for trivia? All right. So Priscilla Presley, whoever got that was correct. Now, Michael Jackson and Priscilla Presley made a video together where Priscilla Presley was actually naked, believe it or not. Not fully, but obviously it's, that type of video. Yeah. What was that song called? What was that song called? Anybody else? Any other stocks?
Oh no, that was.
Yeah, if you know, let me know. What was that song called? But overall, guys, the market is looking bearish. It's okay because we're getting ready, man. It's patience is key. The more bearish it gets, again, we're not in some crazy things going on. I think we got a good situation happening. It's just a matter of a turn, and we are good to go. We're gonna look at one more stock here before we go. We looked at OCGN. Oh, we looked at OCGN? We already looked at that one. But anyways, guys, listen, it's been an absolute pleasure. We're going to be back here on Thursday again. I'm really hoping you guys join. We're going to, again, at any moment, the market could pop. It could be Thursday. So I'd love to see all of you here. Again, if you haven't received our webinar, comment webinar. Also, if you're interested in getting some mentorship and you'd like some coaching, comment coaching below. We're doing some interviews. We actually got 3 openings right now for March. So if you're interested, we filled up last month pretty good. So there's a lot of people who are enjoying the coaching. A lot of them are in here. So if you're in here, you're obviously enjoying the coaching. But yeah, we're looking to take people and give you an opportunity to be able to leave your job just like I did. So if, it's a great feeling, great to be able to spend time with your family, things like that. So if you're interested, just comment coaching. We'll set up an interview for you, make you do a questionnaire and see if that's for you. Other than that, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. Brian Norris, you didn't get it correct. Actually, it was your wife. So tell her great job. Yep. Okay, guys, really appreciate it, man. I will talk to you on Thursday.